In this video tutorial, we will cover custom lead time. Entering a custom lead time for a code button means that when I click to mark in, that mark in point will actually be assigned the specified amount of seconds earlier. In order to demonstrate the value of this, I'm going to first intentionally demonstrate coding without a custom lead time. I'm going to use my offense button to code an offensive possession, but I know that there is going to be a quick change of possession here. So now I'll enter code mode and the video will play. And Arizona will take over on offense, but now I'll pause the video. Since the first second or two of this possession has actually passed, I need to rewind to the appropriate place in the video to actually mark in. So I'll rewind to the beginning of the offensive possession and activate the offense button and code the full offensive possession. Detailed instructions on how to code are available in other tutorials. Now we can view the instance and watch that offensive possession in full. So I'll go ahead and double click the instance in the timeline. Now I'll cut to a blank timeline at the same spot in the video as before with the same code window. This time, I'm going to assign a custom lead time for the offense button. To do so, I'll enter edit mode and then double click the button to open the inspector. The option below the button name is labeled custom lead time. I'll click the checkbox to enable the option, and you see that this box is no longer grayed out. In this box, we can set our custom lead time. I'll set a custom lead time of 3 seconds. If I wanted to get even more precise and use fractions of seconds, I can use decimals to do so. Now I'll close out of my inspector and enter code mode again and repeat the same process as before. I'll pause the video, but this time, to get the previous 3 seconds of video in my instance, I do not need to rewind. You see in this frame here that the game clock is at 12:09. Now I'll code this instance by activating the offense button and letting the possession play out. Now when I view this instance, you see that the game clock is at 12:12 rather than 12:09.